Hi guys, another beautiful hairstyle on my fussy hair. This is so beautiful and lovely, made with Brazilia wool. Watch the video and see how I made this particular short twist on my natural hair. First of all, I have to roll out my Brazilia wool so that I'll be able to get the length, the desired length. This is the length I want. Now I'm proceeding to making the hair wash to the end, because this particular video will teach you how to make your own hair at home. The style is so simple. It's very simple that you can do. It's not even hard at all. Just watch the video to the end, because I gave full details in this video on how to do this particular short twist on your hair. Either you are in 4C hair or you are on a retouch hair. This particular style is very simple. It's something that you can make at home, and it will help you to spend less money on braiding your hair. Guys, don't forget to rate this particular style in the comment section, and let me know the next style you want me to do, simple style that you know you can do at home. Thanks for always supporting my video. Don't forget to subscribe, because you get a lot of tutorial like this from me. Watch the video to the end and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Love you.